My hut hasn't looked more beautiful than it is right now. Lucky? At least you have a building. I literally have a place that looks like Legos and it's not even complete. What? Sergeant Fillmore, bickering as always. Hey, Stiggers? Oh, hey, Sally. What's up? I'm having a fireworks display tonight for the 4th of July, and I was wondering if you could pick it up and set it up. If you could, if you're not busy. Well, I don't really got anything, so sure. Where is it? That's a few towns over. Alright, well, see ya. What? Mater? Mater? Mater, what's going on? My house, my beautiful house, it collapsed on me. It collapsed on me, Miss Sally. Ah! Okay then. And this is done. Thanks, Sarge. No problem, Miss Sally. Hey, Sally, I'm back with the fireworks, and oh, wow, this is pretty good. You've done a pretty good job here. Thanks, Stiggers. Where should I put the fireworks? Oh, just put them over here. Ah. Hmm. Uh, Sally, is this enough fireworks for this big display? Uh, I think so. I mean, they are pretty small. Huh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Alright, thanks, Lane, again. No problem. Hey, buddy, buddy! Hey, Mayor, what is it? Where's your, hut? Oh, they tore it down to build whatever that thing is. Oh. Oh. I want to show you something, buddy. I created the biggest firework. No, it fell. I created the biggest firework in the universe. It's very blocky. I'll say that. Also, where'd you get the parts? From Sarge's place. Just don't tell him. Okay. Do you want to help me color it? Alright. What paints do you have? I'll just get them at Ramon's. Wait, I don't think Ramon has that many paints. Remember, someone took his, almost his entire stock. Huh. Is this thing even legal? Welcome everyone to the fireworks display party that we're going to be having for the 4th of July. I'm your host, Sally Carrera, and yeah, I know a few of guys, a few of the townies, aren't here, but don't worry, this will last until 12 a.m. Is that a good idea? Yeah, I think people like to sleep. I don't think they want to be woken up by booms, mini booms on my head. Let's start with the fireworks. Wow, so inspiring. Wow, how are fireworks inspiring? This is one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. I guess we can actually agree on something, man. Wow. Man, you can't be anything other than this. Uncle, I'm scared. Ow. And I believe that was the last firework. Thank thank you everyone for joining us in this fireworks display party for the 4th of July. Hope everyone got to see the amazing, beautiful fireworks tonight. And yeah, have a safe trip home. And whoa, Mater, what are you doing? I guess it's working then. I appreciate you. The big work. The big what? The big work. Since it's a firework, the bit and it's ginormous. The big work. What? Now, anyways, 3, 2, 1, wait, go! Oh no! Wait, isn't it supposed to be thundering right now? It's coming back to us! We're all gonna die! Guys, calm down! It's not gonna go anywhere! Salad! Oh! Salad! Stickers? Happy 4th of July!